over here. From a uniform disk of radius r, mass 9m, or a small disk of radius r by 3 is removed as shown. What is the moment of inertia of the remaining disks about axis passing through the center of the disk perpendicular to the plane? So let's start solving this question. So this is the disk we have, okay, out of which we have removed this section. Okay, so let's draw it again. So we have removed this section out of this. Okay, so this much. Okay, so now we can make this and this. So let me draw it again like this, and radius is also given. So this is radius r, okay, and so this is radius r, and this radius is how much? R by 3. The mass of the entire is 9m. The mass of this is m. Why? Because uh, mass per unit length, mass upon area is pi r square upon m dash. Let's consider the mass of this m dash upon pi r square by 9. So pi r square cancel out. Okay, so we are getting just this is actually if the mass of the entire, so if you see this 9m into 1 by 9 is equal to what? M. M dash is equal to what? M. So the mass of this will be m only. Okay, so that means first of all the moment of inertia of the entire disk, of the whole disk about center C, it is mr square. M is 9m, mr square by 2. Okay, and of the smaller disk, radius r by 3, mass, and this is center. From the center, distance of this center will be how much? 2r by 3, and the mass is m. So moment of inertia about perpendicular axis will be what for this? About perpendicular axis, which is going like this. Okay, so that is mr square by 2, half mr square. R is r by 3 whole square. So this is coming out to be mr square by 9 to the 18. Okay, mr square by 18. And about this axis, I about center will be mr square by 18 plus m into 2r by 3 whole square. So I about center is equal to what? Mr square by 18 plus we have 4 mr square by 4m r square by 3 3 is a 9. So taking the LCM as 18, we are getting with mr square plus 9 to the 2 4 the 8 mr square. That is 9 mr square by 18. So this becomes mr square by 2. That is I about center. So let's subtract it from the original one. That is 9 mr square by 2. Okay. So 9 mr square by 2 minus mr square by 2. That becomes what? 8 mr square by 2. That becomes what? 4 mr square. The correct answer for this is option number 4. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.